A driver behind an extreme case of road rage has been sentenced to 4 years behind bars. The gunman shot out the window of a car on the main highway to the Gold Coast. 10's Ursula Hager joins us now. And Ursula, there was no motive for this attack.
No, Mahan Gashari has given little reason why he randomly shot at a couple on the M1 motorway 2 years ago. The court was told today that he had prior convictions for carrying knives, but nothing in his history suggested anything like this. In handing down his 4-year sentence, the judge said it was a miracle that neither of the occupants of the car were injured and that there wasn't a serious accident. It's been almost 2 years since Mahan Gashari handed himself in to police. Now he'll stay behind bars, sentenced to 4 years for a terrifying shooting on the M1.
It's probably an appropriate result in the circumstances. He accepts that and he accepts the penalty today.
Gashari was behind the wheel of his black BMW at Oxenford when he set upon Kelly McKay and her fiancé in their Commodore, first tailgating them, then urging them to race. When they refused, he pulled a handgun and fired. The bullet hit the car's back window, luckily missing the pair in the front. They were innocent victims, targeted for no reason.
There were some circumstances that were outlined in the material that was sent to the court with respect to his family and his father's health deteriorating, but that's the extent of his reasoning.
During sentencing, Justice David Bodie said it was an extreme road rage event and could have been much worse. You should be extremely grateful you are not here on a murder charge.
We can only hope now that with him spending more time in custody, that he will learn from that.
With time already served, Gashari will be able to apply for parole in May next year. Now, Gashari, the judge also stripped Gashari of his licence, saying that driving was a privilege that he had abused, and under Queensland law, he now won't be allowed to apply for that licence to be returned for another 2 years. Georgie?